Temporary protection status, or TPS, is just that, temporary protection from deportation that will allow Venezuelan migrants to live and work legally in the U.S. for 18 months. Julian says it's the good news he's been waiting for since he arrived in D.C. over 4 months ago on a bus from Texas. He's among the estimated 472,000 Venezuelans in the U.S. who are eligible for temporary protection status under the Biden administration's recent expansion of the program. It's very good of this government to offer us this help because it allows us to progress and meet our goals to work in this country. Previously, only Venezuelans who arrived in the U.S. before March 2021 qualified for TPS. But under the new designation, it applies to those who arrived by the end of July. Julian says he's most excited about having a valid work permit,
which provides them additional protections as employees, decent wages, and labor protections that they might otherwise not have.
Immigration attorney Kelly Escobar Ortega says TPS will provide a sense of relief to many of the Venezuelan migrants who are at the same time in active deportation proceedings as they wait for their asylum cases.
TPS is something that you can apply while you have an asylum case pending. If your asylum case, for whatever reason, is not successful, at least TPS allows you to remain in the country.
An official with the Biden administration says the July 31st cutoff date is aimed at discouraging other Venezuelan asylum seekers from crossing into the U.S. In the last hour, D.C.'s Department of Human Services told us 149 migrant buses have arrived to the district since they started tracking them in October of last year. An estimated 1,500 migrants have received temporary shelter in D.C., and nearly the same number have designated D.C. as their preferred final destination since October. In Northwest, Rafael Sanchez Cruz, WUSA 9.